Alright, let's get right into it. The truth about Aoyaanew Dentures. You've probably seen these ads all over social media. Perfect smile in seconds. 98.9% positive reviews. Only $39. Sounds tempting, right? But hold on, let's talk about what's really happening behind the scenes. First up, the reviews. On Trustpilot, Aoyaanew.com is bombarded with poor ratings, and people are calling it a pure scam. Customers say they never get what's advertised. Instead of actual dentures, it's just some plastic teeth and beads you're supposed to mold at home. Not exactly what you want in your mouth. The ads promise dentures that won't discolor after 30 years. But in reality, buyers get these rubbery, ill-fitting pieces that are purely cosmetic, definitely not something you can use to eat or wear long-term. Let's talk customer service, or the lack of it. A lot of people never hear back about returns or refunds. Once they've got your money, good luck getting help. And it gets worse. Aoyaanew is linked to other sketchy sites like cvioert.com and tuvilo.com, all with the same scams and negative feedback. Now, here's the big issue. DIY boil and bite dentures can actually put your oral health at risk. Think gum damage, infections, and messed up bite alignment. Dentists don't recommend this stuff for a reason. So yeah, the low price tag is tempting, but with no real refund policy, it's usually money down the drain. If you really want a better smile, talk to a professional or check out trusted brands like Revived Smiles. Your health and your wallet will thank you. Stay safe, do your research, and don't get fooled by too good to be true promises.